Welcome to eLearn with Vijayagiri. This is Algebra Part 10 and in this part we are going to discuss about solving linear equations. In an equation, if the highest power of the variable is 1, that type of equations are called linear equations. Let's check some examples. X plus 4 equals 2, y minus 7 equals 9, 3 into y plus 2 plus 5 equals 6. These all are linear equations. And when solving linear equations, you have to remember something. Addition sign, when going to another side of equal sign, it becomes subtraction. Subtraction become addition. Multiplication become division. Division become multiplication. Square becomes square root. And square root becomes square. All other powers also will be similar. If question is to solve, then you have to find the value of unknown. Let's check some examples. Solve x plus 4 equal to. Here x is the unknown, plus 4 is adding with x, so subtract 4 from both sides. 4 minus 4 becomes 0, so x will be equal to 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So value of x is minus 2. This is one way to solve. And let's check another way. X plus 4 equal 2 and we can take plus 4 to another side, it become minus 4. So x will be equal to minus 2. So you can use any way to solve, but in this video I am following the second way. Now let's check some another examples. Solve y minus 5 equal 3. Here minus 5 when we are taking to another side it becomes plus 5. So it becomes 3 plus 5. So y will be equal to 8. Solve 2x equal 4. Here it is multiplication. Multiplication 2 when taking another side it becomes division 2. So x will be equal to 4 by 2 and x will be equal to 2. Solve x by 4 equal 5. Here it is division. Division 4 when taking to another side it becomes multiplication. So x will be equal to 5 times 4 and it will be 20. Next, solve root x equal 5. Root when going another side it becomes square. So x will be equal to 5 square and 5 square is 25. Solve x square equals 16. Square when going another side it becomes square root. So x will be equal to root 16 and root 16 answer is plus or minus 4. These were some basics examples. Now let's check how to solve when these operations are coming together. Solve 2x plus 5 equal 10. Before solving this type of equation, let's recall BODMAS. Bracket should be first, then order, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the order you have to do the operations. Now in the question you have to check which operation you have to do the last. And that operation you have to take to another side first. In 2x plus 5, multiplication and addition is coming together. Multiplication you have to do first, then you have to do addition. So addition is the last operation, so take that to another side first. So 2x will be equal to 10 plus 5 when going another side it becomes minus 5 and 2x will be equal to 5. Now multiplication we can take to another side, multiplication become division and x equal 5 by 2 and the answer will be 2.5. So remember one thing, which operation you have to do last, that you have to take to another side first. Let's check another example. Solve 2 into x plus 2 equal 8. Here bracket and multiplication is coming, so multiplication will be the last operation. So take it to another side first. So x plus 2 will be equal to 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. Now addition we can take to another side. So it becomes 4 minus 2 and answer will be 2. Another question, solve x minus 5 by 4 equal 3. If in numerator or denominator more than one number is there, then you have to treat it same as brackets. So x minus 5 you have to do first, then only division 4. So division 4 you have to take to another side first. So x minus 5 equal 3 times 4 and it will be equal to 12. Now subtraction you can take to another side, it become addition. So answer will be 17. Solve 2 into x plus 2 by 3 equal 12. Here also 2 into x plus 2 you have to do first, then only division will come. So by 3 you have to take to another side first, it become multiplication. Now 2 into x plus 2 will be equal to 36. Now multiplication is the last one in this, so you have to take that to another side first. X plus 2 equal 36 by 2, it will be equal to 18. Now addition we can take to another side and it becomes subtraction. So answer will be 16. Let's check another question. Solve 2x plus 3 equal 5x minus 6. Here x is there in both sides. So we have to take all the x terms to one side and numbers to another side. When 5x going to another side, it become minus 5x. And plus 3 when going another side, it become minus 3. Now 2x minus 5x is minus 3x and minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Now you can take minus 3 to another side. Multiplication going as division. So x will be equal to minus 9 by minus 3. And answer will be 3. Let's check another example. Solve 5 into x minus 2 equal 3 into x plus 4. Here first we have to expand. So it become 5x minus 10 equal 3x plus 12. Now we have to bring all x terms to one side and numbers to another side. So it become 5x minus 3x equal 12 plus 10. 5x minus 3x is 2x and 12 plus 10 is 22. So 2x equal 22. Now 2 we can take to another side. It become x equal 22 by 2 and it will be 11. One more example. Find the value of x if 2 to the power 2x minus 3 equals 16. This is exponential equation. So 16 you have to write in terms of 2. We know 2 to the power 4 equals 16. So we can write it as 2 to the power 2x minus 3 equal 2 to the power 4. Now bases are equal, so powers should be equal. So we can write 2x minus 3 equal 4. Minus 3 when taking another side it become plus 3 and 4 plus 3 is 7 and multiplication 2 we can take to another side as division. So x will be equal to 7 by 2 and answer will be 3.5. Hope you understood this part. That's all for now. We'll be continuing in the next video. Thanks for watching.